What's up, everybody? This your boy Jacques, and here's another episode of 2 Minute Tuesday. Now, if you're new to this channel and these series, on Tuesday I like to go around Florida and show you some beautiful gems down here. So let's get started. Now today, guys, I'm going to be 1 mile south of 595 in Davie at a luxury community called the Sierra Ranches. Now there are 79 half-acre home sites here, and these homes are spacious and have open floor plans, and they're a brand new lineup for, as you guessed it, Lennar. Now some popular features that come with these homes include game rooms, theaters, lofts, and dens. Now let's go inside to the design center. Now as you can see, the homes are still being built, and their current pricing are beginning at $1,124,990. And the estimated delivery is third quarter of 2021. As big as this place is, the HOA here is very minimal. It's at $132 a month, which covers the gated entrance, common areas, pedestrian trails, and maintenance of the lake and preserve. Since we're not able to go inside one of these homes, as of right now, let's go inside to the design center to see all the extra amenities that you'll be walking into when you do purchase this home. Now walking into the kitchen, it gave me a nice earthy feel. It also reminded me of the last video I did at Botanico. Now if you missed that video, click on the video right here and come right back to this one. The kitchen of course came with the obvious stainless steel appliances, flat stove with the hood, and everything just blended perfectly. Now another thing I loved about the Sierra Ranches was everything was fully customizable. From the cabinets to the shower heads to the faucets, everything can be changed to your liking. Now this faucet right here I love so much. I actually found it on Amazon, which I'm affiliate with. Now if you look at the description box, click on that link and check out this faucet. So since there was no actual model to see, they did promise me once a home was built, I can actually come back, which was perfect, because I'm ready to make a part 2 of this video. Now I was able to get a few shots of the home fully rendered as if it was built. Now if you look at these shots, you can see how amazing that these models are. Now I don't know about you, but I can't wait till these models are up and running so I can come back and make another video. Now as you can see on the screen, there are multiple homes for you and your family. And if you're purchasing with cash or if you need financing, there are a lot of options available for you and your family. Now the bathrooms were nice as well. It had a huge mirror, his or her sink, the wall hung cabinets, and the tub was beautiful as well. So in a few months, the first model home will be ready, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. Question of the day. Can you guess the approximate square footage of these properties? Please drop your answers in the comment section below. Thank you guys for tuning in for another one of my 2 Minute Tuesday videos. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to make sure you get all my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.